Hello friends, my name is Amartya Paresh Mahabhatra and today I am here to discuss with you an interesting topic. What is metamorphosis? Let us look at the scientific definition of metamorphosis. Metamorphosis is the gradual, rapid and complete development of an organism, especially insects. Every insect goes through metamorphosis. During metamorphosis, an insect is subjected to physical, chemical and biological changes in their body and their behavior. So in this way, an insect develops from an immature larval stage to its adult stage, and because only adult insect could mate and reproduce in itself. So let us look at the stages of metamorphosis. There are mainly 4 stages of metamorphosis: the egg, larva, pupa and adult. Here we are seeing that instead of writing pupa, we have writing the chrysal. Why it is so? Because in the pupal stage, different insects have different pupal stages. For example, the pupal stages of beetles is known as grub. So whereas the pupal stages of butterfly and moth is known as the chrysal. Therefore, I wrote here the chrysal. So only 10% of metamorphosis goes through pupal development or hemimetabolous development. So let us look at the third point, necessity of metamorphosis. So why metamorphosis is necessary? Like humans, as we humans eat, grow throughout our life. It is not so in the case of insects. The appearance or the skeleton of insects are not like our humans. We humans have endoskeleton or inner skeleton, whereas insects have exoskeleton. So when insects hatches out from their eggs, they eat the leaves very fast. So in this way, their body grows very fast. So in this way, the skin of insect is not incapable of the earlier skin. Therefore, they mold again and again. In this way, the necessity of metamorphosis arises. And another point is that due to metamorphosis, an insect grows from its larval stage to its adulthood stage to continue its future life cycle. So let us look at the 4th point, stages of metamorphosis of a butterfly. Could you see here I have drawn the metamorphosis of butterfly. The adult butterfly lays its eggs first, and when the insects or the caterpillar hatches out of the egg, it is in its larval stage. And when it is in its larval stage, it eats food very fast, so its body grows continuously. Then it goes to pupal stage or chrysals. But before pupal stage, it goes into prepupillescent stage. In this, the insect sets out a silk string from its body to make it an protective casing like this casing and stick itself to the tree. Then after some time, for 10 to 11 days, the insect goes through its adult stage or the imago stage. Means it goes into the butterfly stage. Now let us look at the 5th point, types of metamorphosis. Although there are 5 types of metamorphosis, only 2 points are mostly taken by the entomologists. The first point, hemimetabolous development or incomplete metamorphosis. In hemimetabolous development, an insect eats very fast and molts many times. So their body grows, and when they are finally molted, their wings develop and their attacking and defensive organs also grow. But in the holometabolous development, every stages of insects have different stages. In the holometabolous development, an insect goes through egg, larva, pupa and butterfly. But in hemimetabolous development, an insect goes through egg, nymph and chrysals and then imago stage. Pros and cons of metamorphosis. Like every coin has 2 parts, in this way, metamorphosis also has 2 parts. It has advantages and disadvantages. Pros means advantages and cons means disadvantages. Let us look at the pros or advantages of metamorphosis. The first advantage of insect is that when the insect grows, sometimes when the insect grows, it is very big, and so it is subjected to the attack of predators many a time. For by metamorphosis, it gets itself more developed and more complex to make it look stronger. The second point is that during the first molding, if an insect has a serious injury, then due to metamorphosis, it recovers its injury many times. So in this way, in the final stage or adult stage, it is completely correct. So third advantage is that due to metamorphosis, insect gets strong. So let us look at the cons of metamorphosis. The cons or disadvantages of metamorphosis is that first, insects during metamorphosis are invulnerable or incapable of holding the opponent attack. Means, when an insect is in its metamorphical state, an opponent and predator could attack itself and kill itself also. And the second con of metamorphosis is that during its metamorphical state, it cannot use its attacking power or defensive power. So it is completely useless or incapable in front of its opponent. So in this way, metamorphosis is a completely different process of an insect, which has its advantages and disadvantages. So this was my topic of metamorphosis. So now we have learned so much about metamorphosis. Thank you.